Welcome to this video training. Here I will explain Python print and input. This is very important tool in Python. I am using Linux. You can check my Linux video also how to use Linux. It is much better to use. I also have PyCharm in the other video, how to use PyCharm. Okay, at first create a file, touch test.py Python extension. Now v test.py. Now at first I'm going to show something about variable that, let's say, name equal to Tom. And print name. Now run this and Python 3 test Python. So it prints Tom. Okay. Py. This is actually like there are different type of data type. Integer, it is string, and when we use text, this is actually string, and double quote, this is string. Python automatically understand or get it is what type of data, not like C or Java programming you have to write a string. It is not like that. For beginner, this is okay, fine. If you understand like a equal to, let's say a equal to 3, so Python understand this is integer. If you type print a, it will print a3. Okay, Python 3. So you see it prints 3. Now clear the screen. Test.py. Okay, I delete all this. Now I write, let's say username. Okay, input, enter your name. Okay, input also important function that it is interactive. You can provide a name, and here is print function. Now right here welcome, and then write this username, the variable. Okay, this is the variable holds the data. Now it is done. Input interactive, and it is print, it will print. This is important function. Now save it and exit. Right here Python 3 test.py. You see there is a typing mistake, spelling, it needs to correct. So let me open the code. vi python 3 vi test.py. Here it is shading the line 6. Here is the mistake. Actually here there will be one comma. This is syntax. Okay, here is nothing. You have to use one comma here. Okay, this is one part and this is one part. So this is, you have to use comma. Save it and again run it. Python 3 test.py. Enter your name. Let's say Tom. You say welcome Tom. This is how it works. Cat test3 test.py. So this is our code. That username, this is input. Okay, and here is the result. We can also edit this file. Let's say v test.py. Now we can do one thing more. Enter your name, right? You can also write country, input, enter your country name. All right. Now print am from comma country. Right now type this python 3 test.py. Enter your name Tom. Enter your switch. See, so here also it shows an error. You have to check. There is some typing mistake. You see that country v test dot py here I typed here county, right? So this is, you have to type properly country country. Now it is fine. This is variable, this should be same. Okay, whatever you type here, it should be same. Now save it and run. Enter your name Tom, country. You see, welcome Tom, I am from Swiss. Okay, this is how it works. DSG. Okay, this is code. Okay, input, how to use input and how to use print. Both are important tool in Python. For beginner, you have to type some code and practice that you understand good. This is basic foundation. It will be easier later. And I use Linux. Linux is more